If you want to become a nursing assistant, keep watching this video. Let me tell you more about my CNA experience. Hello guys, thank you very much for clicking. If this is your first time, I go by the name Ghana Girl. If you are an old subscriber, thank you very much for clicking. Please make sure to like and share. First of all, what is CNA? The full meaning of CNA is Certified Nursing Assistant. So CNAs are healthcare professionals who provide basic care to patients under the supervision of registered nurses or licensed practical nurse. So the responsibilities of CNAs include assisting patients with daily living activities such as bathing, dressing, eating, and mobility. CNAs may also measure vital signs and report changes in patients' conditions. Also ensure that patients' environments are clean and safe. CNAs typically work in settings like hospitals, nursing homes, long-term health facilities, and home healthcare environments. So the CNA job usually requires a certification, which usually involves completing a state-approved educational program and pass certification exam. So now let's talk about the CNA job in the UAE. When I first came after finishing my visa, I was not getting any job, and most of the times the job you get as an African with low educational background is always cleaning. I tried to go for security training, but then after I go for the security training, usually when I go for interviews, they will tell me to cancel my visa. I am currently on family visa. They will tell me to cancel my visa and then pay for extra money for them to issue me a new visa. I and my husband thought about it and we were like, no, it doesn't make any sense. Why should I cancel my independent? Though I am dependent, but I am dependent on my husband. Why should I cancel my independent visa and depend on a company when I can rely on my husband? So we thought of the fact that maybe going for the CNA course would help me get a better job and a better salary. So I searched most institutes online. I found institutes online. Most of them were messaging me because they are always ready for people. But one of them that I chose was Strong Point. So yeah, I'm an ex-student of Strong Point. I went through Strong Point, and then while going for the program, all I had in my mind was getting a job as a CNA. But this is where the problem is. I finished the program and I was expecting to get a job. I roamed around for so many months without getting a job as a CNA. At that time, I was only focused on getting a CNA job because I had the certificate. I didn't want to waste that money and then look for other jobs. After you complete the CNA course, most of these healthcare centers, most of these hospitals, they are looking for people with nursing background, people with medical background. So if you're just somewhere and you just decide to hop into the field, of course it's not gonna be easy. If you have the nursing background, it's a big win, it's a big bonus, a very huge bonus for you. But if you don't, you may find a job, but it's going to be very, very difficult, and that's what happened to me. Of course, I didn't have a lot of information before I started. Let me take you through the steps, how much I spent to finish the CNA course. So first of all, at that time, I don't know how much they're taking now. At that time, the registration fee was 3,700, if I am not mistaken. 3,500 or 3,700 AED. From there, the institute was in Dubai, Belgium. So I was leaving from Sharjah to Dubai every day. So by the end of the course, I believe I spent more than 700 for transport. That's what I believe. So maximum, the registration was 3,500 and the transport was, let me say, 500, which is 4,000. Obviously more than 4,000. So after completing the course, you have to train in giving first aid, the CPR. Yeah, so that's one. I don't really remember how much I paid, but I believe it was around 350 dirhams. So adding all of these to it, it's almost I think almost 5,000. So that's how much it cost me. From there, I believe some of the institutes help in getting a job, but getting a job here in UAE is like 10% out of 100. The chances of getting a job here in UAE as a CNA, most of the times after completing the course, sometimes the institutes give your number to other students who want to enroll in the course. But I always tell them, if you have something else to do with your money, don't waste your money on this. That's what I always say to them. I got a message today that my CNA certificate will be expiring in 90 days, which is 3 months. So here I am, even though I have the knowledge, but that wasn't the reason why I went for the course. I actually wanted the knowledge, but I went for the course just to get a job. Most of the people that I know who did the course with me haven't gotten a job. They never got a job as a CNA. If you want to travel with the CNA, that is fine. Personally, that is my own experience. I know people who did the CNA and have traveled outside the country. CNA, certified nursing assistant, is not nursing. You are a certified nursing assistant. There is a difference between certified nursing assistant and a nurse practitioner. There is a huge difference between that. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will be so glad to respond to your questions. Thank you so much. Please make sure to share this video, like, subscribe if you haven't. I love you all so much.